Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a Canvas Studio video quiz into a Canvas assignment so that it winds up in your gradebook. This is kind of a sequel to another video on how to create a video quiz using Canvas Studio, so you might want to watch that one first because you need to have a video quiz before you can actually put it into a Canvas assignment. So we're going to assume you've done that already, and what you're going to do is go into your Canvas course and go to your assignments area and click on the blue button plus assignment. Then you're just going to name it just like you normally would. I'll call this Canvas Studio assignment because I've ran out of creativity. Next, you're going to scroll down. You don't have to put anything in there. And you're going to give it some points. This can be any amount of points you want. It'll just divide that number of points with the questions in the video quiz. So I only have 2 questions in my video quiz, so basically if I put 100 in, it means each question's worth 50 points. Next, you're going to go down to submission type, and you're going to make sure that this is set to external tool, okay? And then you're going to select find. Here's where you're going to scroll down. Well, you might not have to scroll that far. And you're going to click on Canvas Studio. This is going to bring up your personal Canvas Studio library. And you can then navigate to where your quiz video is. And just like I mentioned in the last video, if your Canvas Studio video has a quiz in it, it'll have that little rocket ship in the upper right corner. So you can see this video has the rocket ship, the one with the dog doesn't. So I didn't create a video quiz with this video. So what we're going to do is select that one. And here is where you have to select Video Quiz Embed. That's super important. Usually you're going to only have one quiz in the video, so you're just going to leave it on that quiz. If for some reason you have multiple quizzes attached to one video, you can select them down there. But for 99% of us, you're just going to leave that as is. You're just going to select Video Quiz Embed, and then click on the blue Embed button. Then you have to click Select again. Don't ask me why, but that's how it is. And from here, you're going to go to the bottom. And, well, you don't have to go all the way to the bottom. If you want to allow unlimited attempts, you're going to leave that as unlimited. Or if you want to just have the students just do it one time, you can select limited and make it a 1, or more than 1. It's up to you. I'm just going to have them do it once. But if it's a practice thing, maybe give them multiple shots at it. If you want to put dates in, go ahead, and then click Save and Publish when you're done. And here's kind of what it looks like. I'm going to show you an actual student. Okay, so now the student's going to take this quiz. So the student would maybe click on assignments or wherever you've put the assignment. And of course it doesn't work. Oh, there it is. So the student clicks on the assignment, and this is what they see. It's a little different. They have a few less options below. And then they're going to click on that Get Started, which will start the video. I'm going to speed it up. So the first question comes around 2 minutes here. I'm just going to fast forward. So here's the first question. It's a true-false, and it's asking how to do an ollie. I'm going to get this wrong on purpose, so I'll select false. And then the student would click continue. I'll skip ahead to the second question. There's only 2 questions in this video. So this one I will get correct, and I want you to notice this. You'll see this, it only shows the first 2 options here. So the student actually has to scroll down to see all of the options. It's kind of lame that it does this because some students are just going to think there's only 2 options here. And if the correct answer is down below, then they might miss that or not think that it's there. So I kind of wish it was a little better, but this is the tool, so I don't think there's a way to, yeah, even changing your screen size is not going to affect that. So be it. That's what we have. So I'm going to select the correct answer on this one, up and out, and then click continue. Then this student would normally watch the rest of the video just in case there's other questions in there. I'm going to just fast forward to the end just to see. So the student would have to watch the entire video or skip to the end, and then they would get this submit quiz area here. They could restart it if they wanted to, but I'm going to click submit quiz. And now the student immediately gets to see the results, which you may or may not like, but that's how it is. So if the student clicks on that, they're going to see their results. In this case, they only got 1 out of 2. And there's the feedback here. This is what I don't like about it, is that I could tell my friend what I got, tell him that, oh, this one's true, I got it wrong. So you could have students cheating with this. There's nothing else the student has to do on this area here. They do have a retake quiz. I'm not sure if that actually will let them retake the quiz or not and affect the scoring. It might. I'll experiment with that, because right now if I left this assignment here, it would show that I got 50 out of 100. So let's go ahead and click retake quiz just to see for fun if it works. Okay, so we'll click play here, and again, this time I'm going to get them both right just to see. So this time we'll do true. Get to the next question, and this one I'll get right as well. Up and out, continue, and then we'll go to the end of the video, click submit quiz again, and now if I view results, I got 2 out of 2 on this attempt. It shows me my attempt history. But remember, when we set up this assignment, I only wanted my student to have 1 attempt. So let's go to grades and see if it recorded the first score or the second score, which was the highest score. And it does say highest score is kept. So click on grades, and sure enough, it gives the student 100 out of 100. So it recorded the second score. So as long as that student is still in that assignment, it's going to give them an opportunity to retake that video quiz. Now that it's submitted and I have a score here, if the student were to try to go back, they could click on this. It actually is letting them retake this quiz, even though we only wanted to give them 1 attempt. I'm not sure why it does this. It's kind of lame that it does it. Although now, I think after a while it won't let them take it. So, but no, it's letting them retake it. So there you go. It's not perfect. Let me see some other things. I'm going to leave this student view here. I'm wondering if I can edit these settings in my Canvas Studio. I'm going to go to the library here. So let's see if we can edit this quiz here. Details. Edit details. Let's see. This doesn't let me edit anything about keeping the students only 1 try or something like that. Try comments, insights. This is just sort of analytical data. Captions, I can upload captions if I wanted to, but there's no way to actually change those quiz settings, which is kind of lame. But there you go. So would I do this kind of quiz? Would I make it high stakes and worth a lot of points? No. I would just kind of use this to reinforce the students' learning, but I wouldn't really use this as a test, you know what I mean? This is more of a review. Maybe give them a few points, and they can definitely learn from something like this, but the settings are no good if you want to like make this worth a lot of points. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.